Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a variety of different dishes that will make up a beautiful platter that you can present to your guests at any occasion. Come on, let's go! Starting off with the festival rice, here are all the ingredients needed. Here's a little tip before you start cooking your rice, put some water to boil. In a heated pot, we'll add our oil, our Haitian épices, onions, carrots, peas, and corn. Now we will be adding a pinch of salt, some Goya sazon. This will give it a beautiful yellowish color. And also if you'd like to add some Maggi, you can go ahead and do so now. It's time now to wash the rice. We will wash it twice in order to remove the starches. Now remember the hot water we were boiling? That's what it's for. It's for our rice. Now the water is already boiling, so we can go ahead now and add our washed rice. We'll go ahead and add a spoon of butter when the water reduces and just let it cook down. We gently mix the rice just to evenly distribute our vegetables. Now we're going to cover it and let it steam on low heat. And there you have it, your rice is cooked. Today's platter of food is very simple and very easy to make. Even at the last minute, you can prepare this beautiful platter for your occasion. Today's fish is called talipia. It is very easy to clean and cook. We will go ahead and wash it, remove all impurities. Go ahead and squeeze some lemon or lime. Wash it down, rub it down. We give it a second rinse. Moving on to the seasoning, we will add some salt, some Haitian épices, and some Goya sazon. That will give it a yellow goldish color when it's done. Go ahead and rub it in, both sides. Add your lemon and rub the lemon on evenly. The lemon gives it a fresh, clean taste. Now here is a little tip. Take the tip of your fork and gently prick your fish. Prick it, all the flavors and juices will just penetrate into that fish. Now heat your oil and go ahead and fry your fish until it's golden brown. Now the Russian salad. Giving our veggies a quick wash, the beets, carrots, and potatoes. I peel them before I boil them. So I will boil everything in one pot because they're all gonna be in one salad. And I also added in 2 eggs. While I'm chopping up the veggies, I would like to take this moment to say a big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. And if you're new here to this channel, I would like to say welcome. Feel at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This is one of my favorite side dishes to make. It brings life to the table. It gives your table, your presentation, a beautiful facelift. Our potato has been cut into small cubes, just like that. Now we move on to the carrot. We do the same into tiny little pieces. The same for the beets. And the beets, it's very good for you. It's good for your blood. It's a very healthy vegetable to eat. I prefer to buy the natural ones and boil it instead of the ones in the can. So it's well boiled. See how easy it is to cut? The hard boiled egg looks so beautiful on this salad when chopped into little pieces. Ladies, do you want to make an impression at the dinner table? Go ahead and recreate this dish. It is definitely a party pleaser. Wow, this salad is looking so good already and it's not even done. Our final ingredient, it's a spoon of mayonnaise. Gently mix it in, gently fold it in to incorporate all the flavors. And here is our beautiful presentation. To prepare the bechamel white sauce, we will put 1 spoon of butter, some finely chopped onions, a tablespoon of flour. Now we let it cook down, okay? Go ahead and mix it in gently and let it cook down a bit. I just added a little piece of Maggi to give it that flavoring. Now we're going to add our red and green bell peppers. That will give it a pop of color. Now we can't forget our Haitian épices. Now it's time for our milk. You can go ahead and add some carnation milk. Now you continue to mix, continue to stir gently because it thickens up pretty fast. When it gets to this consistency, you go ahead and add some more milk to loosen it down, and then you're done. Here's how to prepare our macaroni salad. These are the ingredients you will be needing for your macaroni salad. Now we will be adding our white sauce. Go ahead and fold it in gently to incorporate all of your vegetables in there, and also the sausage. I forgot to mention, you can add in a little bit of sausage or a little bit of ham just to give it that boost of flavor. Go ahead and fold it in gently. And there you have it, all of your different dishes that makes up your beautiful platter that you can present on any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you feel inspired. Don't forget to try it out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.